For my portfolio website, I decided to use Wix.com to build the site, and this is my home page with my banner that shows my name and a clear title. Here, I tried to incorporate balance between the text and the color, and offsetting between the two color blocks and a picture in the text here. As you scroll down on the home page, then you'll see my bio statement. I tried to use a lot of contrast between the colors in the text and the background to really draw attention to the words and add more energy and sharpen the boundaries between my different sections. This will be a text box, so that also is the use of grouping and alignment. I also attempted to kind of balance my layout by offsetting what will be my text box with my header. As you scroll down on the home page, then my resume will be here, again offsetting the text and the images here. This will be text, my resume. This is a button, like a link, so a multimodal element as well there. As you continue to scroll, then I've included my reflections, using consistency in the font and style and color for each of these headings. And then at the bottom of my page is my footer, which is another form of balance, the header and footer here. If you go back up to the top, my menu also links to each of those subheadings below. If you go under home and then click on them, these were anchors that I put in, which are access points, as our text in chapter 17 mentioned headings could be good for either way. Then for each of my projects, I've designed like this with the student learning outcomes under each one here, and consistency in the way that I've set these up. And then again for project 2, same thing, and then project 3, I used with my layout, I used grid lines and rulers to make sure everything was aligned and properly centered. And I also made sure to use margins here to frame my text. There will be a text box here on each one of these pages. See? Thank you.